Hi, boys and girls. How are you? Good. All right. All right, we're going to do a song about two little birds. One named Jack and the other named Jill. All right, so do what I do. Put your fingers up like that, and I'll sing. And you could just move, right? Two little birds were sitting on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Where'd they go? Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Do it one more time. Go this way, that way. Two little birds were sitting on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Woo! Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Where'd they go? Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. All right, so you do that later, all right? And let me sing you a song about a robin. A robin is a red bird. Heard a robin this morning, feeling lucky today. Gonna pack my cares in a whistle and blow them all away. What if I've been unlucky, or really having a thing? But there's a time when I feel happy as a king. When the red robin comes bobbing along. There'll be no more sobbing when he starts throbbing his old sweet song. Wake up, you sleepyhead. Get up, get out of bed. Cheer up, the sun is red. Live, love, laugh and be happy. What if I was blue? Now I'm looking at fields of flowers. Rain may glisten, but still I listen for hours and hours. I'm just a kid again, doing what I did again, singing this song. When the red robin comes bobbing along. Maybe you want to dance? What? A freeze dance? Wake up, you sleepyhead. Get up, get out of bed. Cheer up, the sun is red. Live, love, laugh and be happy. What if I was blue? Now I'm looking at fields of flowers. Rain may glisten, but still I'll listen for hours and hours. I'm just a kid again, doing what I did again, singing this song. When the red robin comes bobbing. Yeah, when the red robin comes bobbing along. See you later.